All right, today I'm talking about these quantum stocks. These stocks have made me big bank over the last 6 months. They're relatively new stocks. Okay, quantum computing. In layman's terms, let's just say it's a supercomputer that calculates on the quantum level. Okay, it's a very new thing, very speculative. We don't even know if it'll be around in the future, but for the short term, in the last 6 months, these four companies have made me some serious cash, just simply from. I'm going to show you what I'm doing: buying low and selling high. Okay, I'm going to go through these four. Here they are here. Now, we've actually got five. I've just added this quantum computing one to it because it came up on my radar as well, and it's quite low, as you can see, $12. Now, this Rigetti computing, okay, down at $26. I like Rigetti under 30. I like IonQ at under 50. It's right on the cusp, so I'm just going to see what it does. But as you can see on the monthly chart, these things are down. Like, look, 20% for IonQ, 40% for Rigetti, QuantumScape 32. Now, as you can see, there's no little dots here, so it means I have no money in these in this account. Okay, I do have them in other accounts. Okay, but we'll just go up and have a look at IonQ here. We'll go up to Simply Wall Street like I do. We're in, we've got this in a couple portfolios, so we'll find it. IonQ here, it's saying it's almost 50% undervalued now. Okay, now with IonQ, I've made multiple monies on that. Like, I bought that at about 19 right here, and then when it got to 40, I sold. Okay, and then it dropped down to about 23. I started buying back in, and then it went up to 50, and then I sold, and then it went down to about 40, and then I started buying in again, and then it went way up to $84. I sold at $76, so I could have got a little bit more out of it, but the $76 was a fantastic profit. I think I profited $5,000 in that one, and this was only in a matter of like 6 weeks. Okay, got to 84, and now it's come down again. And I only said on a video the other day, I like IonQ when it's under 50, so let's keep an eye on it. And in the last few days, it's got below 50. So we're just going to keep a little eye on that. I do have a fair bit. We'll have a look over here. IonQ there. I still have 2,700. Now it's saying I'm 65% profit. So even though it's gone down a lot, I'm still in profit. So I bought at good times, okay? But I did sell out of $5,000 of that. Okay, we'll just have a look here while I'm here. Rigetti is another one that I want to buy into. I've only got 780 on that because I sold $4,000 of that about 2 weeks ago. So 199% profit. And even though it's come down 40%, I'm still in good profit there. So we could add a little bit to that, which I am actually going to do. This DWAVE, always making money for me for that one. Exactly the same theory as the IonQ that I just went through. Okay, I'm going to buy some of these like right now. I want to have some for long term. So I usually use my CMC account here for a longer term portfolio. My Sherry's here. This is the one that you can just put $10 on that if you want. I use that one to buy and sell a lot, and so at the moment in my Sherry's there, I've got $277 in the IonQ there, and I've got Rigetti down here at 200. So not much in there at the moment, but like I said, I've sold. I sold in the last month, and now we've dropped. So let's just go to Rigetti now here, and we're going to buy. I'm only going to be putting like $100 lots into this while it's dropping, okay? Because you never know. It could end up going up 10% tonight, or it could drop 10%. So I already have money in it, so we're just going to buy $100 there. We're talking 100 USD as well, because that's everything seems to work in USD. So we got the Rigetti, okay, there. So that's Rigetti. And this is another portfolio I have. This is called eToro. I'm actually going to buy some there as well. We'll go there and trade, and we're going to put $100 on that. Rigetti. There we go. Now I'm doing this, guys, just so you can see that I actually do put my money where my mouth is. I do get into it. This quantum computing here, I have not been into that one yet. And at $12 up to 25. Now, if you click on that, it'll tell you. Look, there you go. Moderate buy. They reckon it's going to be $16 price target, and it's only 12. So there you go. Let's chuck 100 on that. Okay, and we'll see where that goes. And the other one is the I'm going to leave DWAVE yet. I'd like to see that down below 20. QuantumScape here, I'd like to see that below 10. Okay, so the only other one is IonQ. I'm going to hold on that for a minute because it's just dropped below the 50. But one thing I do want to do, I want to go over to CMC here with Rigetti, and I want to buy, I want to buy more Rigetti and put that in there. So let's hit buy, and we're going to go quantity, we'll go value. I want to buy $500 worth at limit price 25, so we'll go up to 26 on that because you have to put a limit price on an international order. Okay, that's there. It'll be $584 I'm actually paying. Okay, and my pin there, and that's on. Now that, because that's an international order, that won't go till probably midnight tonight. Okay, so we have to come back and check that one tomorrow. That's all I'm going to buy in there. I'm like I said, I'm going to hold on the IonQ. I've got 2,700, but if it goes a bit lower, I'll buy some more. And we did the quantum computing. Maybe I should put that in another account as well, but I'll just see how it goes on this one first. Quantum computing stocks, guys, made me a lot of money in a very, very short term. I'm talking 6 months. I only heard about it probably 8 months ago, did a bit of research, and then I thought, well, I'm going to start throwing some money into it. And I did exactly what I just showed you. I put 100 on there, put 200 on there, put another 100 on there, and I got it up. And like that IonQ and that Rigetti, man, my $1,000 that I had in it went to $5,000-6,000 in no time at all. I took the profit out, and now I'm looking at it. It's dropped again, so I'm buying back in. Okay, that's all I do. Follow the channel, like and subscribe. Keep up with what I'm doing. I'll do these videos all the time if something's going on in the market. Catch you later, guys.